model, 55-plate Peugeot Expert 815d 1.9 diesel. Very long MOT runs and drives amazing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 17000. MOT, the 4th of October 2025. Engine, 1868 cc DW8 per litre 3. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, wind-up windows, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.